Greetings to all those wonderful aspirants watching the video. I'm Saloni Nema and you're probably watching me because you had a thought back in your mind that you want to have a career transition to data science. Is it? In any case, I will help you either gain some real knowledge on career transition or actually push you forward to make that transition. Is it because you think your position in that domain is stagnant and you don't see yourself going to great heights? Or do you think the finance industry is boring and you want to explore more opportunities? Whatever the answer is, just make sure that it satisfies your thrust to change your career path, or else you are about to make the biggest mistake of your life. Once you find out your purpose or reason for transition, you would want to know how can I make this transition happen and that to being successful. That is something which should be at the complete end. You first must know if your work experience in finance domain would be of any use in data science. So first, let us discuss some of the most important data science use cases in finance domain. Consumer analytics. Numerous financial institutions have consumer personalization as a significant activity. With the assistance of data researchers, organizations can acquire an understanding of the conduct of consumers in real time with the assistance of real-time analytics to settle on better essential business choices. Risk analytics. Each organization has some risk while working together, as it has become fundamental to dissect the risk before taking any choice. Analyzing the danger has become essential for big organizations for their analysis and is called risk analytics. For business insight and data science in finance, risk analytics has become a crucial region. Data is the center of risk management and risk analysis, since it estimates the gravity of the harm and it increases it with the recurrence of misfortune. The information on critical thinking, statistics and maths is fundamental in the field of risk management for any professional. Personalized services. Personalized services are an incredible way for the financial organization to construct a decent connection with its clients and increment their deals by offering them what they are keen on. Experiences are produced and broken down the client data identified with the collaboration by financial institutions by utilizing numerous sorts of devices and techniques. Regular language handling and discourse acknowledgement based software are helpful to financial establishments these days for better correspondence with consumers. Insights are acquired and the necessities of the clients are perceived from the data given by clients to the financial organization, which promotes higher benefits for them. The experiences are likewise used to offer better types of assistance, and business techniques are streamlined by every client. As you can see, if you have a strong hold on the financial domain, your domain knowledge can definitely come in handy during your data science training. This makes me think about the various skills that are must-have for a data scientist. You should know them too. Let's first start with the technical ones. Technical Python programming. As the most popular and most adaptable programming language in the data science industry today, Python can handle everything from data mining to website construction to running embedded systems, all in one unified language. R programming. R is an integrated suite of software facilities for data manipulation, calculation, and graphical display. R is more prevalent in academic contexts compared to Python. The software can implement machine learning algorithms quickly and simply and provides a variety of statistical and graphical techniques such as linear and non-linear modeling, classical statistical tests, time series analysis, classification and clustering. Hadoop platform. Hadoop is a collection of open source software utilities that allow data scientists to process large data sets across clusters of computers using simple programming models. SQL databases. SQL is a domain-specific programming language designed for managing and querying data held in a relational database management system. Machine learning and AI. Few data scientists are truly proficient in machine learning, those that are standout. Machine learning helps analyze large chunks of data using algorithms and data-driving models and can automate significant parts of a data scientist's job, such as cleaning data by removing redundancies. The most competent data scientists are familiar with machine learning techniques such as supervised versus unsupervised machine learning, decision trees, and logistic regression. Data visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data using visual elements such as charts, graphics, maps, infographics, and more. It sits right in the middle of the technical analysis and visual storytelling. As big data becomes increasingly integral to business, data visualization is becoming a key tool in making sense of the vast volumes of data generated every day. Our data scientists must be able to visualize data using tools such as ggplot, d3.js, and Tableau. Now we switch to the soft skill. Communication. Good communication skills are crucial in most data scientist roles. As a data scientist, you will need to understand business requirements or the problem at hand, probe stakeholders for more data, and communicate key data insights. Storytelling. Statistical computations are useless if teams can't act upon it. So, storytelling skills are crucial in the form of oral communication as well as writing and data visualization. Good storytelling means that analytical solutions are communicated in a clear, concise, and to the point manner. Collaboration. You'll need to collaborate with various teams in the organization to understand their requirements and gather their feedback to reach solutions. Depending on how specialized you are in your role, you may also have to work with fellow data scientists, data architects, and data engineers. Learning. Data science technologies and frameworks evolve so fast that it's futile to try to master any single one. Rather than aiming for perfection, you are better off cultivating the patience and discipline to teach yourself new things and learn new concepts quickly. Now, it is time to answer the question that I mentioned in the early phases of the video. That is, how can you make a successful transition? Your one-stop solution is right in front of you. Skillslash. Skillslash has been recognized as one of the finest institutes to provide top-notch online courses in data science for professionals. I would enlist the highlights of Skillslash data science program. 1. They are 100% live interactive, so you don't get bored watching these same old recorded videos. 2. The mentors you will have are none other than the industry experts. 3. You have 3-year flexible subscription to ensure if you miss any class or topic, you can cover it in the next batch. 4. You get to work on real-time and live projects that are provided to you by AI company and Skillslash guides you throughout. So now, the ball is in your court and you need to decide whether you wish to access to the best online source for data science or not. Thank you.